Dear friends, in this video you will learn how to withdraw money from paidverts.com. Also you can say it. How to cash out money from paidverts.com. More you can say the withdrawal proof of my account. Before we start our video, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon for more videos. So let's get start the video. First of all, we will open Paidverts website and log in into account to withdraw our money or cash. I clicked on login and it opened look like page. For login, I selected coffee cup and clicked on sign in and the account looked like that. Look, here is my account balance, which is $4.21553. Go to right side. Look here upside and choose drop down arrow. As I clicked on small drop down arrow near my username, the drop down menu is opened. Now select the cashier. It's open new page and look like this page. Go downside a little. And look here. Please enter your PIN to continue. I wrote my PIN, which consisting on 4 digits. And clicked on submit. It's opened my account cashier page. You can see here is all payment processors. Now first go to right side, as I am doing in front of you, and transfer UPV earning balance from where you want to withdraw it. Here is transfer form. Fill out it very carefully, as I fill out it before you. Here you select the payment processor, where you want to cash out it or withdraw it. In my case I want to take withdraw from payer, so I selected the payer as a payment method. Now I select my date of birth. First I selected my date. Then I selected my month. And last I selected my year. Now I check again all my information, if it is correct. So my all information is correct. I clicked on submit. It looked like page. Go downside a little. And look here. It is my all PV earning are transferred, which amount is $4.21553. Here, you can watch my all history. One is deposit history. And second one is withdraw or cash out history. With date and amounts. How much I deposited or cash out. Now come to point. Look, here is all PV earning is transferred in my payer account. Now I clicked on cash out on red box. It opened cash out fund page, look like this page. Go to downside a little and again I checked the cash out fund page requirement. Is my information is correct? Now I put amount, which is $4.21, also put my date of birth again, date, month and year of my birth. Now I clicked on submit. The message is shown. Your payer cash out request has been noted. We have sent you a confirmation email that contain verification links needed to accept or decline your withdrawal. Now I open new page and type the google.com to check the verification link is they sent or not. In my email address. In my email inbox. Look, they sent me the verification link. I clicked on it to verify my cash out. Here is blue text shows like link. I clicked on it. I open my Paidverts account again. Look, here shows a message saying that your transaction has been accepted. Cash out processed within 7 days. Usually the same next day. Now it shows in history my recently withdraw or cash out. This is the video you watched. Thanks for watching.